Hey yo YouTube, today is a car video where we have to replace the Q screen that controls, the audio, the air conditioning, whatever. Check this out, our before shot. Okay, now I've got a little cracking here, but that still responds. Let's say I want to turn on my air conditioning. That screen, touch screen, it don't work right now. Factory model uses some kind of gel to hold the screens together, so over time it dries out, cracks, lose responsiveness. If I go to the audio and say here, this part, again, I can't do that. Can I control? I can't even reconnect my car to the Bluetooth right now. I can do some radio stuff if I scroll the screen around, but this whole portion, no good. If you go to the dealer, you want at least $1,500, replace the whole thing. It's basically like an Xbox or PlayStation. So long as you can get up in there, take it out. We're gonna spend $130 for this. Yeah, let's go do it. Having the right tools help. I needed to get a $4 7mm guy there, and now, oh man, ready to undo the hazards, unplug the PlayStation aspect, and then we get to take the project inside for a while. All these pieces, so many screws. I know my how-to videos say, yo, keep them separate so you don't get them confused. Yeah, whoever refurbished it with the previous owner could not keep them straight. Oh, that's a lot of screws, right? Here's our module, old screen, chandelier, reflection. Fun. I'd rather make cookies, but this saves a lot more money. And it's 2 hours later. But, oh, hey there. Don't be jelly. Like, it's hard work. All these guys go back in the car, over in. Alright, before I pop in the trim, that's the air freshener. Oh, hello. No way. Let's try. Man, it's hard to do this and film. Okay, so I need to hit Bluetooth. Yo, bro, successfully paired. Everybody's doing their grass right now as they make YouTube videos. Alright, back over to climate control. Can I put on the AC? Yeah, I can put on the AC. Oh, I got it. It's good to see some other people's actually getting outside and doing something new around this neighborhood. I ain't seen a person walking around all day, but it's a view fair. now I can't even like queue up my Bluetooth audio. I mean, I could. Dude, it seems to be working. Let's put the rest of this thing together. Alright. Final checkout. We're in business. I sure got lots of fingerprints on him already. But that's all you do. Let's see. AC on. AC off. AC off. AC on. It's no way it's 91. Rear defroster. We don't need that. What other buttons? Heck yeah. Alright. Yeah, that's my phone. It's been a long day. It took almost 5 hours. But look, I learned how to take apart my dash. And I can do a lot of other things now if I need to. For now, I'm going to switch it over to my YouTube playlists. Take a ride around the block.